Yes, ready? Please take this dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, start. My dear friends, I am happy to be here today to inaugurate the Conference of Power Ministers of the States. This conference assumes importance in view of the fact that power shall play a defining role in India's socio-economic development in the 21st century. Our expanding industrial base, increasing agricultural demand, and galloping domestic requirement necessitates rapid enhancement of India's total power generation capacity. More importantly, we should bear in mind that power and energy production as well as management is crucial to our national security concerns. A country that is self reliant in power and is not burdened by energy shortage is a secure country. If we look back at the performance of the power sector in the past 50 years, we will find that the growth of this sector has been impressive. From a little over 1000 megawatts, our total production today has gone up to around 100,000 megawatts. This is no small achievement. However, despite this impressive growth, we continue to face power shortage in the 8th plan period. We could achieve only a little above half the target we had set ourselves. In the 9th plan period, we are likely to add roughly two-thirds of the additional capacity we have targeted. The poor financial health of our state electricity boards, which do not have adequate private sector investment in the power sector, are largely responsible for this inability to meet targets. In order to meet the requirements of the opening decades of the new century, we have to add more than a lakh megawatt during the 10th and 11th plans to achieve this target, but the resources that are likely to be available would be about only a one-third of that amount. Our government has listed the restructuring and reforming of the power sector as a priority initiative. We have already taken several measures in this regard. We have been emphasizing on the development of hydel power, especially by developing projects in the northeast that have immense potential for power grid and delinking transmission and distribution from generation so that we can ensure both reliability and quality of power to customers. We need to take a hard look at the financial health of our electricity boards. Out of the 20 state electricity boards, 18 have a negative rate of return. Center will have to look into it. As a matter of fact, in the early years of the plan, its execution was not paid due attention. The center should initiate a foolproof scheme for all the states whereby these boards could become profitable bodies. Theft of electricity by anti-social elements should also be kept under a check. The center has issued necessary guidelines to all the states to ensure that electricity is not lost as it travels long distances from the power plant to the end users. I would say that super quality conductors are needed to avoid any resistance within the conductors when electricity travels through power lines. Stop and over.